Okay, I'm back actually. So we have the situation like now. We have two radiators. Both of them we need to clean pretty good with isopropyl alcohol. Looks good. Okay, nice. And the thing we have to do with one of those two radiators, the second radiator is coming from the other IBT-2, and one of the radiators we need to drill a hole through. So the original screws are 3 millimeters thick, so we need to actually use longer bolts. So this is the original one, and this is the one we're gonna use instead. So we're gonna get through both of those radiators, and we're gonna set the bolt through one of the radiator, and the second one have actually thread which is the bolt is gonna fit, but the other one we're gonna have to drill through with 3.5 millimeter drill. Gonna do it. So it should be pretty easy because it's an aluminium. Okay, good. And we have to drill a little bit out the top of the hole, which is bolt will gonna come through. So we need to do it a little bit flatten than this one side where the bolt is coming. Okay, looks good. So it looks like that right now. So we have a place for the bolt, first one and the second one. So they need to go through. Okay. Okay, we're gonna put the bolts through the radiator. I'm gonna use a 3 millimeter. I think it's 19 millimeter long bolt. So it will be enough. Okay. So as you can see, the heads of the screws are perfectly on the place, and they are sticking out from the other side. So we're gonna put it through the upper one. do the same thing. I have to cut out a little bit piece of the thermopod. So that will be nice, like that. And the second one, a radiator, I can put it actually to the place where the bolts are coming out, and then I can screw it in together. First one, get it. Okay. So I have to have enough. Yeah, you have to put it together, but you have to feel a little bit resistance. Actually, you cannot try to screw it as much with as much power as you can do it. You should be a little bit careful with it. Yeah, the head of the screw is actually touching the side of the radiator. So I think I should use a little bit bigger drill to make a little bit more place to it. Okay, I'm gonna try if it will work. I think I have to drill a little bit more. Used a bit bigger hole. Bit bigger drill size. Yes, that was a little bit on the border. They are touching each other. So I don't want to cooperate as good as it should. Okay, almost there. Yeah, it's definitely should be a little bit more place there. I have a problems to screw out now the bolt or the screw. Okay, so this one is pretty good, but this one okay. We have to drill a little bit more. So I can move a little bit the drill on the sides, make a little bit more place. Okay, should be better now. Okay, hope that will be better now. Drill a little bit more, the small one. So there. So there. Okay, I think right now it should be much better. So there. And so there. Okay, I have to clean a little bit. Okay. Yeah, now they are coming back itself, so that proves there is enough place to set them all the way in. Okay, let's try. It needs a little bit patience. Let's try the other one. So they are a little bit too long screws, so they could be a maybe 5 mm shorter, but I don't have one which fits exactly, but they can be a little bit longer. That's actually nothing bad with it. Okay. I don't know how many newtonometers or how much moment I need to turn in, but you can see if you are screwing together those radiators, so you can see that the thermopad was squeezed, actually, squeezed and put it outside a little bit. Yes, it's pretty solid. I think I can gonna put a little bit thermopaste here. So as you can see here, the angle is not parallel to the circuit board, so that's a little bit wrong. So I'm gonna try to fix this one also. Try it out. And I'm gonna put a bit of thermopad between, so it will hold a little bit more distance between the radiator and the circuit board. Maybe it also helps to pass through a little bit more heat. Okay. Okay, looks good. Now I have to screw with the feeling. With the feelings, not too much. Oh. So, yeah, now I think it looks good. That side here, and the side here. Yep, looks good. So that's it. So I have prepared like that an IBT. So now you can see you have a much better contact chips to the surface. You have a good contact through the thermopads to the upper radiator, and a really good contact with the circuit board to the radiator then underside. Actually, that's it. That's how it should look after transformation. And right now it will work much better, and it will spread much more heat than originally. So with the next day I'm gonna try to connect it to my project and see how it works with the DC motor. Yep, thanks for today. See you next time.